Bato de la Rosa ay dinggin din sa ICC? Dapat siya ba maaresto siya?
Dapat siya talaga pumunta sa ICC. Talagang dapat. Kasi siya ang, if President Duterte gave the instruction and it was carried out, then it is Senator De La Rosa who should explain to the ICC na mali ang interpretation ng pre-trial chamber. Yun yung nag-issue ng arrest, no? At nagsabing may jurisdiction sila. Dapat talaga na sabihin niya, mali kayo. Kasi ito talaga ang meaning ng double barrel, yung HVT, yung high value targets, ito talaga yung policy namin, yung mga nakikita yung mga ballistic reports mali, yung mga EJK victims kin na nandito, nagsisinungaling. He has every opportunity to do that.
Bato can be a witness for Duterte.
Yes, he can be a witness for if he is credible at maganda yung paliwanag niya. The former president will be free. Kasi sasabihin, maaaring ang story ni Senator Bato, hindi naman niya alam eh. Akin lang, tinago ko yung data sa kanya, binigyan ko siya ng cover-up, etc. So pwedeng ganun ang storya, di ba? If he loves the president so much, he should just accept all the responsibility on himself.
Do you think he'll do it?
This time, I think he should really reflect on his duty under the law, which is very clear. Malinaw naman ang law on the execution of law enforcement authority. Malinaw yung boundaries eh. Kung linampasan niya yun, then it's time for him to reflect about whether it led to a correct outcome. Kasi mukhang hindi di ba? Hindi nasugpo yung drugs. Very temporary yung impact ng takot. Pero ang klaro, sociologically, talaga naghahanap ng savior, ng strongman ng Pilipino, no? But flouting the law and destroying all the legal mechanisms is the worst way to show that a leader can take care of the Filipino people.
Pagnanakaw ang pag-usapan natin ngayon.